They're not really sure what to do with it. They're just like nibbling on it. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Hi, good morning. It's vlog 73, and the puppies last night. We figured out a time frame for them. Like I go to sleep at 10, and then we wake up at 12 because that's the time the puppies wake up. And then we take them out of their bed to pee, and then go back to sleep around 2, and then we wake up at 5:30 to feed them. And Connor is slowly being okay with them.
A sweat.
Oh my gosh! So Thursday. Ano ba ngayon? Tuesday?
Tuesday, yeah. Okay. I am done with my